Hello and welcome to our channel Maths Tactics. Today you will learn addition of matrices. Matrices can be added only when the order of both the matrices are same. You need to remember we cannot add the matrices with different orders. Let's try with an example. Let this be matrix A and let this be matrix B. As we have to add these matrices, let's find out the order of both the matrices. Do you remember how to find out the order of matrix? Yes, number of rows by number of columns. So, the order of matrix A is 3 by 1 and the order of matrix B is 1 by 3. We can clearly see that the order of these matrices is not same, so these matrices cannot be added. A plus B is not possible. Oh, don't be sad. There will be situations where we can add the matrices. Let's try with another set of matrices. X and Y. Let this be matrix X and let this be matrix Y. Let's check if the order of both matrices are same or not. Order of matrix X is 2 by 2. Order of matrix Y is also 2 by 2. Yes, it means we can add these matrices. Okay, so finally we have got the set of matrices which can be added. But the question is, how are we going to add it? Wait, before we start adding the matrices, let's revise the concept of conditions when we can add the matrices and when we cannot. I will give you some pairs of matrices and you will have to tell if the matrices can be added. Yes, none of them can be added as none of the pairs have matrices with same orders. Let's go back to our example where we had the matrices with same orders and understand how addition of matrices is done. We are going to add them by adding corresponding elements of both the matrices. A new word, corresponding elements. These are the elements which are in the same position in both matrices, in matrix X and Y. Corresponding elements are 0 and 1, as both are at the same position in the matrices. So, these are corresponding elements of XY matrices. Similarly, -2 and 9, 3 and 7, 4 and -5. All are the sets of corresponding elements. Let's start with the addition. We will do addition in one set of brackets by adding the corresponding elements in their position. Don't worry, let me show how it works. As 0 and 1 both are in the element 1 by 1, so in our new matrix, we will add them by writing them this way. We will work through by adding down the other elements the same way. So this is how your addition of matrix would look like before you get the final answer. Let's just do the addition and write the answer matrix. 0 plus 1 is equals to 1, -2 plus 9 is equals to 7, 3 plus 7 is equals to 10, 4 minus 5 is equals to -1. If you have understood the process, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Before we leave, let's practice some questions. Can we add these two matrices? Yes, you are right. We cannot add them. Can we add these matrices? If your answer was yes, you are right. If not, let me explain. As to check if we can add the matrices or not, we just need to check the order of matrices. If it is same, the matrices can be added. But you would be wondering how we would add numbers and alphabets. Don't worry, it's easy. Before we proceed, Can you tell what element from matrix B will be added to the x in matrix A? If your answer was x plus 2, you were right. As we cannot add the alphabets with the numbers, we will write them like a plus 1. And where we have numbers, we will add the numbers. So the result matrix is a plus 1, 10, x plus 2 and z plus 6. I hope you have got the concept of the addition of matrices. See you with our next video. Till then, good luck with your exercises.